Morning, students. I hope you enjoyed your vacations and you celebrated Dussehra with social distancing, right? So now after the vacations, let's start our work, and today we will start with exercise 11B. Before starting this exercise, you will write the types of angles. You already know the different kind of angles, but we will just review them once again. So first is the acute angle. The angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Okay, and suppose you will draw the figure also and you will mention this angle is acute angle. Okay, why? Because this is less than 90 degree. 90 degree is what? 90 degree is always at the straight line. When two lines they meet each other and absolutely straight like this, they make a 90 degree. Okay, so now this angle, this one, obviously this is like this. So this is less than 90 degree, isn't it? So if it had been a 90 degree angle, it would have been like this straight angle, two lines meeting each other straight. When it becomes less, so that means this angle becomes acute angle. Okay, and when it becomes like this, see, it is becoming more than 90 degree, then it becomes obtuse angle. We will come to it. So just you can think it had been a 90 degree if it would have been a straight like this. This line would have been straight. But since this is less than, the line is less than this, so angle is very less. Otherwise this whole would have been 90 degree. But now the angle is only this much. So that means this is acute angle. Okay. Second, we come to the right angle. The angle which is exactly of 90 degree is right angle. And this angle is 90 degree and it is always denoted by this, like this. Okay, suppose we have another two lines meeting like this. So here you will make like this, a square. You will make like this. This means 90 degree. Okay. Now, what is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle, the angle which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. That means it has not reached to 180 degree but it is more than 90 degree. So that is the obtuse angle. For example, this one. See, had it been a 90 degree, it would have been come like this. This angle would have been 90 degree. But now this angle is more. See, this whole angle is given to you. So that means it is more than 90 degree. But it has not come to a straight line. So it is less than 180 degree. So this angle is obtuse angle. Got it? Now we come to the straight angle. Straight angle means the angle of 180 degree. That means angle on a straight line is always 180 degree and that is straight angle. That angle is called straight angle. Then we come to the reflex angle. The angle which is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Now, how come we can show that? See this angle. We are not talking this inside. Had this been inside, it would have become which angle? Yes, it would have become acute angle. We are not talking of this. We are talking of this angle. Now this angle means, suppose it would have been 180 degree. Then it would have been come like this only. But it is more than 180 degree. It is going till here to here. Okay? But it has not completed the full circle. That means it is not complete 360 degree. It is the reflex angle. It is more than 180 but less than 360. Clear? Now we come to the complete angle. Complete angle means the angle of 360 degree. A complete circle around a point. That is called 360 degree angle or complete angle. Is that clear? Then we have one more angle which is a zero angle. What is zero angle? The angle of 0 degree. When both the lines they are lying one on top of each other. That means they are not making any angle. That doesn't mean that it is like this. The point is here, one line is here, one line is here. No, that would mean that this is a 180 degree angle. But when both the lines are on top of each other, that means there is a single line. This one, like this. So it is not making any angle. When there is an inclination of two lines, then only it makes an angle, right? When lines are on top of each other, there is one single line, whether in this direction, whether in this direction. So that means there is 0 degree angle, no angle. So that is 0 angle. Got it? I hope this is clear to you. So please copy this before starting this exercise, types of angles, and make some figures also, these figures also. After this we come to the first question. First question you will do it in the book only. Okay. So here A part they are saying the fan is closed. Closed means both the lines they are coming on top of each other. So which angle it will be? It will be 0 angle. Okay, when it is closed. Then B part. B is okay, this one. Now this angle. This angle is acute angle. Why? Because had it been a 90 degree, then it would have been like this. But since it is like this only, so that means it is less than this whole angle. So it is acute angle. Now this one, when two lines they are meeting exactly straight to each other, this is making a right angle. This is right angle. C part is right angle. Now what comes to the D part? D part is, see, it is more than 90 degree. Why? See, it is like this. Okay. Had it been a 90 degree, it would have been like this. This angle would have been 90 degree, right? But you can see that this angle is more than 90 degree. So this is an obtuse angle. Now we come to this. It is both the lines they are exactly opposite to each other making a straight line. So this angle is straight angle. Now what about this angle? This whole angle. This is more than 180 degree. See, if it would have been 180 degree, it would have ended here. But it is more than 180 degree. So which angle it is? It is reflex angle. So F part is reflex angle. And the last one, this complete circle. Complete circle means 360 degree. That means it is a complete angle. Got it? So you will mention these angles here only in the book. No need of doing it in the copy. Now we come to the second question. Second question, see girls. Please understand it very carefully. The diagram is given to you. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. And here they have already shown which angle is this, where they'll make a square. Which angle is this? It is 90 degree. You know it very well. Now what they are asking? They are asking, we have to mention the angle, acute angle at B. At B, we have to mention an acute angle. At B means that angle is being formed at B. So that B word will always come in the center. Before starting this exercise, I told you how to mention an angle or how to name an angle. Suppose this is an angle AOB. Where is the angle getting made? Angle is getting made at O, where two lines are meeting each other. So the angle at O will be mentioned as angle AOB. That means this O will always come in the center. It will not be mentioned as angle like OAB. You are saying, ma'am, we are mentioning the angle at O, that means it will start with O. No. Wherever there is an angle, that particular alphabet will come in the center. You can write it BOA also or AOB also. But this O where the angle is getting made will always come in the center. Is that clear? So, we have to mention one acute angle at B. That means B will come in the center. Now, which is that acute angle? See girls, if we mention this ABE, you know this is a right angle. So, this is not acute. We cannot mention this. Think of any other angle at B which is acute. Can you think of any other angle which is at B which is acute? That is CBE. This angle is acute. Got it? Why? Why? Because had it been a straight angle, it would have been like this. Yes, you right. Like this it would be a straight angle. But it is less than this. So this angle is acute angle. So angle is angle CBE. Okay, B will always come in the center because angle is being formed at B. Or you can write it as angle. You can start from here also. EBC. You can write like this also. Whatever you want to write. Okay, now the B part. which is an acute angle at E. At E, which is the acute angle? Just think girls, at E it would have been a straight angle. अगर it would have been a right angle तो ऐसे होता, right? तो इससे this right angle से छोटा angle कौन सा है? This one. So it is angle AEB. Because it is being made at E, so this E will always come in the center. AEB, or you can write BEA. Okay, or angle BEA. Girls, you will say, ma'am, why it cannot be BED? This is also being made at E. Why? Because this angle, see, this angle is which angle? This is not acute angle. This angle is more than 90 degree. See, 90 degree would have been this. Always make a 90 degree in your imagination. ठीक है? So this is 90 degree. So this whole angle would have been more than 90 degree, na? So this will not come here. Only this side angle, this one. This angle is acute. This is obtuse. This is more than 90 degree. Is that clear? So here the angle will be AEB or BEA, whatever you want to write. Right? Now the C part. C part says a right angle. Now that's an easy one because right angle is always given to you. What is a right angle? Right angle is being made at B. So B will always come in the center. So right angle is ABE. See, between these two arms only it is getting made now. So ABE or EBA, whatever you want to write. Angle AEB or, sorry, I have written wrong. Angle ABEB. B has to come in the center. Or angle EBA. Got it? EBA. Now the D part says we have to write three obtuse angles here. Now which are the obtuse angles? One obtuse angle we discussed, it was this one only, isn't it? So this angle can be written as, it is being made at AE, so E has to come in center. So it is DEB. Angle DEB. We will not write the other way because we have write three angles now. So we will just write DEB. Okay. Now which is the other obtuse angle? Can you tell me, girls? Is there any other obtuse angle here? The other obtuse angle is BCD. This is also an obtuse angle. Because had it been a right angle, it would have come here. But it is going more than this. So this is an obtuse angle. So angle BCD. Clear? This is C. And this is D. And which is the third one, girls, here? Can you tell me any other angle? See, this whole angle. A, B, C. This whole angle. Why? This is 90 degree. But if we cover this also, it will be more than 90 degree. Isn't it? So this whole angle A, B, C. This whole angle is more than 90 degree. So it is angle A, B, C. Clear? Now the last part. It says a straight angle. Now which one is a straight angle, girls? Anything which is on the straight line? Yes, this is a straight line. So which is the straight angle, full straight angle? This is AED. Got it? This whole angle is a straight angle. So the center line, center point will always come in the center only. Right? So it is angle AED. Or you can write reverse DEA. Got it? I hope this is clear. Now we'll come to the next question now.